warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tetri Sabrina and I'm from 12 Natural Science 1 and I'm here to tell you how to make black sticky tape. First of all, the ingredients are bowl, black sticky rice, powdered yeast, some salt, jar, some banana leaf, and a filter. We have to clean our hands until it's clean. Before we start, we should soak the black sticky rice into a water like that, so that the black sticky rice, the texture is a little bit softer than before. Strain the black sticky rice until there's no water left, and then wash it 3 times. We wash the black sticky rice. We steam the black sticky rice about 30 minutes until it cooks perfectly. Same process, move the black sticky rice onto the banana leaf and leave it cool. And then pour the sugar 3 tablespoons and pour it evenly. Pour the powdered yeast with strainer onto the black sticky rice until it's even. Finally, we put the black sticky rice onto the jar and close it tight with banana leaf and leave it for 2 or 3 days, and it should be ready for eating. That's all the process that I can show you to you guys, and I hope that that process will help you make the black sticky tape. And see you guys next time.